Powerful 2000 lb. Rated line pole powered by a 1 horsepower, 12-volt, DC motor. Efficient. Line speed of 3.3 feet per minute with a full load, and 10.5 feet per minute with no load. Convenient. Included mounting channel, remote control and roller fairlead create an easier than ever winching experience. Hassle-free. The roller fairlead creates a safe and smooth pull with the dependable 49-foot galvanized Super Duty aircraft cable which is able to withstand abrasive terrain without fraying. Rope length 49 feet, rope diameter 5/32 in. The Champion Power Equipment 12003, 2000 lb. ATV, UTV winch kit includes everything you need to start winching, including a mounting channel, a roller fairlead and a remote control. With a rated line pull of 2,000 pounds, mount this winch on your ATV or side by side with the mounting channel to quickly harness the strength of its 1 horsepower, 12-volt, DC permanent magnet motor. The 49-foot by 5/32 galvanized, Super Duty aircraft cable is less prone to fraying, even when used in highly abrasive terrain, such as in rocks, mud, or sand. This incredibly strong cable is guided onto the 1.2 by 2.9 inch drum through the reliable roller fairlead to maximize the life of the cable. The planetary gear system along with the free spooling clutch and handlebar-mounted remote control offer excellent control while winching. Designed with your safety in mind, this winch features dynamic braking of the winch drum so you'll have the stopping power you need for each job. With a gear reduction ratio of 153:1, the winch boasts a line speed of 3.3 feet per minute with a full load, and 10.5 feet per minute with no load. Accompanied by the heavy-duty clevis hook and handy strap, this compact and lightweight tool is anything but lightweight when it comes to power. Offering much more than a motor and a spool of rope, the Champion 2000 lb. winch kit is a necessary tool for any situation you might encounter. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome winch on utility trailer. This winch works great powered by a small 12 volts battery. Use it to pull golf carts and ATVs up onto a 12-feet utility trailer. Hasn't failed us yet. Great tool for us.